a spacious living room. As you can see, it's going to be your very spacious kitchen. As you can see, so this is your very spacious master bedroom, guys. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be introducing you to Bhandup's one of the major project named as Mahindra Rainforest, located in Bhandup West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. This project is bang on LBS mark. Right outside is the LBS road. Now I'll be taking you outside and showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this very amazing project. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy a dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, so Mahindra Rainforest specifically is made on a land parcel of 11 acres with 5 towers, ground plus 52 story with configuration of 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities, which includes an Olympic-sized swimming pool and kids play area, gym, multi-purpose court, walking, jogging track, 7 acres of open space, and many more. You count it and we have it. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is the sales office. So this project of Mahindra Life Space is named as Mahindra Rainforest. Is located bang on LBS Mark, Bhandup West, with upcoming metro station at a distance of just 200 meters, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 12 minutes, Bhandup Station at a distance of just 3 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their basic rights. For example, you have given a token amount and book a home, but now you want to cancel it. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have leakage or construction related issue in your house. So what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of this in very simple and easy to understand language. So next time before buying a home, go to this series. इस series का link आपको ऊपर description box और नीचे I button में मिल जाएगा. You'll get the link of the series in the description box or the I button. Now let me give you the 3.58 ample flat tour within carpet area of 1300 square feet. As we enter, this is your quite big foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. And then to my left is your kitchen. So this is going to be your very spacious kitchen. As you can see, where you get 2 sides of parallel platform and a lot of storage on the wall and down for cabinets. Right when you move ahead is going to be your dry space. For your washing machine, utility area, have a look at it. A spacious dry space. And then where the platform ends, over here is going to be your refrigerator space. So they have taken care of double door refrigerator space over here, guys, as you all can see. Now let's move ahead. As you come out of the kitchen, then comes your dining space. A 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily fit in over here. As you can see, a separate dedicated space for dining area, a big dining space. And then comes your living room. So right now I'm walking in the living room. A spacious living room. As you all can see, I'm just walking around and showing you. And then attached to the living room is going to be your balcony. So this is going to be your balcony, guys, with an amazing view outside, open view, a spacious balcony. Now let's move ahead. Now you have come out of your balcony and now we are moving to your room number 1. So this is your private office, you can say. You can make your private office, your study room, your library, your work room, or however you want to use this space. As you can see, it's a quite spacious room. They have kept the table, chair over here for your clients to come in. You get half French window attached in this room as well for ventilation. Then I've come out of the half room. As I walk ahead comes your common washroom for the guests. So this is your spacious common washroom and you get this washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's move out. As you come out comes your bedroom number 1. So that was your office space. Now comes your kids' bedroom. So this is a spacious kids' bedroom where you get two sides, two beds you can easily fit in. So if I remove the space from here, we can even place a king size bed in this room. That big this room is, or two separate beds for two different kids. This is your study table for the kids, and then you get French window attached in the room for nice ventilation and sunlight for your kids to study. This entire wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space, as you can see, so no issue of wardrobe at all. Let's come out. Now we'll be moving out and checking the bedroom number 2. So now I'm walking to the bedroom number 2. Come in. So this is going to be your bedroom number 2, guys, where you can see there's enough space to move around. Queen size bed is placed over here, and still I'm just having a lot of space on all the 3 sides to move around. Check out the space. This entire side is again dedicated for your window for nice sunlight and ventilation, where you get half French window. And then that side is going to be your wardrobe space. So this is your wardrobe space, as you can see. Now right besides your wardrobe is going to be your attached washroom. Go have a look at the attached washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles again and high-end fittings. Again, a spacious attached washroom. Now we'll be going and checking out the last room of the house, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. And now while we're talking, we already reached the master bedroom. So this is your very spacious master bedroom, guys. A whole king size bed is placed over here, and still there's so much of movable free space in this room. I'm just walking around in the room and showing you. Again, this side is dedicated for your window, and in this master bedroom you get an attached balcony. Yes, you get an attached balcony, guys, where you can nicely enjoy your morning coffee in your room without disturbing privacy. As you come out of the balcony, this side of the wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So this entire thing is going to be your wardrobe space, and you also get an walk-in wardrobe. So you get a running wardrobe plus and small walk-in wardrobe and your dressing table over here, extra space for storage, and right in front is going to be your attached washroom. So this is going to be a spacious attached washroom which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings, as you can see. So everyone, this was the 3.5 BHK sample flat tour of Mahindra Rainforest located in Bhandup. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.